problem I had. Instead of using an image to input in the function, we're going to input its histogram first. So let's get the Cabernet and the Sangritas um, histograms. So I'm going to name this one chist equals compute histogram. And I'm going to show you the functions at the beginning just so you can have them for future reference. Let me first input the calls right here. I'll show you compute histogram as a function. This function requires PLT as a imported library. Um, it also will compute, will display a graph at the end. So forward transform, I'll show you compute statistics, pop coloring. So there's a lot of functions we can go over in the future, but right now I want to show you compute histogram. So compute histogram is super important. If you could, um, oh, I'm so sorry. The only classes it requires is NumPy. This is the NP and CV2. So import those two classes at the very top, right here. Import CV2 and NumPy, and then you can use compute histogram because this is a super useful function. And then I'm going to show you find Otsu threshold. This one took a little bit of a, I think like tinkering or very um, long long process. But um, if you can also use find Otsu, that would be super useful for your histogram or for your data. So pause it right here, and then pause it right here, and then right here, and then you have the threshold number. Okay, so now we're gonna run the program. So far, what we're doing is computing the histograms, and then I want the threshold at the very end. Find O2 threshold of send, and then find O2 threshold of cap. Oh, right. Use the histograms, not the image. So this is the Sangita, and then I didn't print the numbers. Why don't we do it in commas? You know, that'll uh, look more clean. Okay, one more time. 157, 157. So similar thresholds, and I'll have you know it's not because they're the same wine. It's because Cabernet in the first picture was used, and then in the second picture it was actually Moscato and a different formula also. So different wines. Don't tell me they're the same image. And goodbye.